The difference between a grade 5 and a grade 9 answer in GCSE maths is not what you think. Most parents watching their child revise for GCSE maths have never actually seen the difference between what a grade 5 answer and a grade 9 answer actually looks like on paper. And once you see it, everything you know about how you think your child prepares for will change. Let me give you one example that makes this completely clear. Take a 4-mark simultaneous equation question. So you have a grade 5 child who writes the answer or writes the final answer with no working shown. They walk away with at best 2 marks, but often it's actually 0 if the answer is wrong. Whereas a grade 9 child will label both equations. They'll show every step of the elimination process. They even circle their final answer and checks it by substituting it back. So you've got 4 marks secured and the method marks protected, even if the final answer contains like small errors. Now look, here the math is identical and sometimes the answer is also identical, but the entire difference is how the working is communicated to that examiner that's marking it. And this is where a lot of parents miss what's actually happening. You see, like, parents often see their child from the outside revising, hours spent on the work, topics covered, but they can't see whether their child knows how to present their thinking in the way that the examiners are trained to do so and in the way that they're trained to reward. A child can understand every single topic on the GCSE math syllabus and still lose about 15 to 20 marks across all 3 papers simply because their working doesn't show what their actual brain is thinking. Now, this isn't actually a problem to do with knowledge. A lot of people will think that, but it's actually a communication issue, and it's one of those most fixable gaps a child can close before year 11 starts. So if your child is heading into year 11 and you want to make them understand exactly where those marks are being lost and how to get them back, just message me with the word maths and I'll reserve your spot for a free strategy session where we look at exactly what's working and we'll build a plan and see what examiners are looking for and what they actually reward in those exams. Look, these spots, they do fill up quickly, so make sure you secure yours and put a plan in place to get those marks back before they're gone.